Okay, welcome back guys. In this video, we're going to see how we can find the determinant of a 3x3 matrix using a calculator Casio fx5800P. So we're going to start the calculator by pressing on the AC, and if we go to the function, we'll see that the number 8 is matrix. So we're going to click on that, and we have 4 different options that we can choose from. The number 1 is edit, which we have to define the matrix first. So if we click on that, we can define our matrix and the dimension of our matrix. So this is what you're gonna see the first time. So all of these are gonna be like that. None if it's your first time that you're using this. So you're just gonna click on the right, and you can define your matrix here and simply just put 3, execute 3, and one more time you have your matrix over here, and you can define the matrix that you want to find the determinant. So we have this matrix here, so we're going to put 1, first row, first column, 2, 3, execute 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last row, last column, 9. And we already know the determinant of this matrix is 0, but let's see what happens. So if we click on exit, we can see that our matrix is already defined. So let's double check it. We're going to click on execute one more time, and we'll see that everything's good. So click on exit one more time, and we're going to go to the function matrix, and this time we're going to choose number 3, which is determinant. And here we have to define our matrix first. So we're going to go to function matrix. Number 2 is matrix, and the matrix that we edited at the beginning was the matrix A. So we're just going to click on the alpha A, and we're going to close the parentheses and execute, and that would be the answer for our determinant, which was 0 and the number that we were expecting. That would be all for this video. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.